Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your creative process with Evernote beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Evernote on your device. Create a new account or log into your existing account. Familiarize yourself with the main interface. Explore the sidebar where you can find notebooks and tags. Create a new notebook specifically for your creative projects. Name your notebook something related to your creative process. Start a new note within that notebook. Use the note title to summarize your creative idea. In the note body, write down all ideas that come to mind. Utilize bullet points to organize your thoughts clearly. Incorporate images or audio clips that inspire you. Use the web clipper tool to save online articles or inspirations. Tag your notes with relevant keywords for easy searching. Take advantage of Evernote's searching capabilities. Use the text recognition feature for images and handwritten notes. Set reminders for important deadlines related to your creative projects. Collaborate by sharing your notes with trusted friends or mentors. Use templates to kickstart your projects or brainstorming sessions. Regularly review your notes to refine your ideas. Reflect on your creative process and take notes on improvements. Stay consistent in using Evernote for all creative endeavors. Experiment with different formats like sketches or mind maps. Keep your work organized to enhance productivity. Utilize integrations with other apps for a seamless workflow. Celebrate small milestones within your creative journey. Adjust your notebook structure based on your evolving needs. Stay curious and open-minded to new ideas and inspirations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.